Avocado for hair growth. What is avocado? Avocado is a technical fruit that has been used over the years due to its nutritional value and benefits for health care, skin, and hair growth. It is a delicious fruit that adds nutritional values to any meal. The fat contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, and minerals also makes a great ingredient for your hair and skin. Avocados are extremely moisturizing because they contain natural oils. These oils can be beneficial to all hair types. They are essentially helpful for dry, dehydrated hair. Avocado fruit is also rich in vitamins that can nourish the scalp and help hair look healthy, shiny, and hydrated. How to use avocado for your hair mask. Avocado and coconut oil mask. Coconut oil absorbs easily into hair and protects the strands from outside damage. You can add more coconut oil if you prefer more of a liquid mask. Ingredients: 1 avocado, 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Procedure: use a fork to match 1 full avocado in a bowl. Add coconut oil and mix together. Apply from the tips of your hair to the scalp. Avocado, egg, and olive oil mask. Ingredients: 1.5 avocado, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Avocado and olive oil, egg is rich in protein, which helps strengthen hair and protect against split ends and heat damage. Procedure: blend the ingredients together with a fork or spoon. Apply mixture from the root of your hair to the tip. Aloe vera and avocado mask. Ingredients: 1 ripe avocado, 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Aloe vera has anti-inflammatory properties that can smooth the scalp, and the vitamins contained in both aloe vera and avocado will nourish your hair. Blend ingredients together. Add more coconut oil if you have a very long, thick hair. Apply the mixture to dry hair. Banana and avocado. Ingredients: 1 ripe banana, 1.5 avocado. Banana has a high silica content, so it helps smooth hair and add shine. Procedure: mash or blend the ingredients together. Apply the mixture to dry hair from root to tip. Benefit of avocado oil. Avocado oil also contains vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help keep a person's hair strong and healthy. It also helps reduce dandruff, prevent breakage, detangle hair, protect hair from damage. How to use avocado oil for hair. Scalp massage. Warm a small amount of oil in a bowl for just a few minutes. Gently separate the hair and apply oil to the scalp using the fingertips. Massage oil into the affected areas of the scalp. For best results, apply avocado masks to dry hair. Leave the masks on for 20 to 30 minutes. Rinse out the masks in the shower, then shampoo and condition as you always do. If you feel that your hair looks oily even after shampooing, you may consider shampooing twice to get the masks fully out. Thank you all for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.